This is the Zhauns Spaza shop downstairs, and accommodation or restaurant upstairs. You can order the Spaza shop just on its own with no upstairs, but this particular unit is going out to a client who's now going to be putting a restaurant upstairs and having their Spaza shop downstairs. So let me take you through it. And here you can see this is the front door. That's obviously your back door going out there, which you'll keep locked. The Spaza shop comes standard with a serving kiosk and a security hatch like this, where you can keep your valuables and you can obviously serve customers from behind that kiosk. It comes with a full bank of racking, as you see here. The racking is obviously mobile and can be adjusted to suit your particular requirements. The unit comes with reinforced concrete panel flooring. It comes with fully insulated walls, comes with ceiling and lights. It comes with a window for ventilation as well as burglar bars on the window there. And as I said, that's obviously the front door we've come from. We're now going to go out the back door, and I want to show you the upstairs, which obviously, as I said, can be used for a restaurant or for accommodation or for storage. And this is going upstairs. This particular unit, the client has chosen to run it as a restaurant upstairs, so this is just going to be packed up very shortly and then delivered to the client. You can see you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12-seater restaurant. You can probably reduce that because that's a full bathroom, and obviously in a restaurant you don't need a shower, so we can supply you with a smaller unit which would not include the shower, so it would just be a toilet and a hand basin, which means you probably can make this a 14-seater restaurant. Upstairs again comes with windows and burglar bars for ventilation, and then that's your kitchenette to obviously wash your hands and keep some goods under the cupboards. But this is the walls have just got a plastic sheet protective cover on it. Once we deliver it to the client, then that gets peeled off. These are fully insulated walls to keep the unit cool in summer and hot in winter. And like I said, this is a restaurant upstairs. This particular design is for what the client requested for their restaurant upstairs. And then, like I said, they've asked for a Spaza shop downstairs. Just take you downstairs again. And this is entering the back of the Spaza shop, which obviously you can keep this door closed. Gives you an idea. You can run a business from upstairs and downstairs, or you can live upstairs and work downstairs. And these units are available immediately from Zhauns Housing Solutions. www.zhauns.com. zhauns.com. This is the Zhauns Spaza shop with restaurant or accommodation upstairs. Like I said, you can also order the Spaza shop just on its own, so you won't have the upstairs unit.